Tried everything to quit porn? You haven't tried this. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I'm a neurofeedback professional. Neurofeedback is brain training. What you'll find is brain training is like a workout for your brain. It's non-invasive. It doesn't put anything in. It's a passive treatment. You don't have to think about it. And it's completely measurable. The first step is what's called a qEEG brain map. I can read how your brain is performing, and you can see with your own eyes the gap between optimal brain performance and what your brain is doing. And what we know from science is that porn damages your brain. It creates what I call strained brain, which is a brain that's using too much fast energy and too much slow energy simultaneously. That brain pattern creates a lot of friction in the system. It can lead to burnout. When you tip over into more of a burnout pattern, I call it drained brain, and it is at the core of erectile dysfunction and sexual arousal dysfunction problems. So if you're struggling with anxiety, depression, lack of motivation, ADHD types of symptoms, and especially erectile dysfunction or sexual arousal dysfunction, please go over to drtrishleigh.com. I offer programs in different sizes and shapes because I want to show up, be able to help you understand what's going on, and to equip you with the tools, techniques, and strategies to move through this thing once and for all. So please go over to drtrishleigh.com. And until next time, control your brain or it'll control you.